Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by readying both devices, your iPhone for monitoring and the Apple Watch as the room microphone. Once done, position the watch within 3 to 6 feet of the crib for reliable audio pickup, and make sure Do Not Disturb is enabled so notifications won't interrupt. You also want the watch plugged in to avoid battery drain and the watch app open on the phone. This setup gives you constant audio and a distraction-free feed while preserving battery life. Now connect the devices with a low-latency audio channel using walkie-talkie or a third-party live audio app. You need two-way pairing so the phone can receive watch audio. Once paired, test levels by speaking or tapping near the watch. If audio is low, move the watch closer or increase sensitivity in the app. Make sure the app can run in background on your phone and lock the phone screen with audio still active. This prevents interruptions and keeps the feed live while you move around. Finish by confirming the watch remains on its charger and the phone has steady Wi-Fi or cellular. This ensures continuous streaming. You should enable audible alerts and vibration on the phone so you notice any noise quickly, and plan quick checks every 10 to 15 minutes. If you encounter problems, audio drop or lag, repair the watch to the phone, force quit and reopen the audio app, and reboot the watch if needed. This sequence resolves most connection hiccups and gets the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.